Hello friends and welcome back to my channel. My name is Lisette, and if you are new here, please don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Also give this video a big like, and thank you so much for spending your time with me. Today I'm going to show you two memory dex cards I created. They're both for My Crafty Boutique. I will leave that information below so you could check out her channel. Now the memory dex entry challenge was to create a Christmas or a holiday theme. Mainly it was just a holiday theme, so I picked Christmas. So I decorated it with a whole bunch of snowflakes, a coffee cup. You were also supposed to use pastel colors, and that's why it has these pretty colors. I absolutely love the way it came out. I used 3mm foam just to add dimension, as well as other embellishments like these cute little heart embellishments, and that was pretty much it. I didn't have a believe, I had dream, but I felt like it just fit perfectly with the memory dex card itself. So I'm absolutely happy with the results, and I know that Luisa will probably love them too. So this was not part of the challenge entry, but I just did decide to create an extra one. It was a Pusheen. I love cats and she has cats as well. I found these stickers at Five and Below, so I was able to just create this one really cute and quick. And I also added 3mm foam in the back just to make that pop. So I'm really happy, and I hope that these two cards inspire you to create also memory dex cards of your own. So before I sign off, I wanted to also do the Chalkola, just pick the winner out, because I've been delaying this one and I apologize for that. The giveaway ended earlier in the month of June, so I'm ready to pick the winner. Now all the names are in my little handy dandy box. I'm gonna close it back up and just shake this box really well. And let's just shake it some more. And let's pick a winner. All right, and the lucky winner is Allison Lillian. Congratulations, Allison. You won the Chalkola chalk marker giveaway. All right, well everybody, thank you so much, and I hope to see you again soon. I'll be uploading new DIYs videos pretty soon, so talk to you soon. Bye.